holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll give you.
On March 21st, 2023, at Miami International Airport, a verbal dispute aboard Frontier Airlines Flight 2326 escalated into a felony arrest.
They don't want to get off. They don't want to get off.
Oh, y'all were here this whole time and y'all didn't. How about y'all grab my bag? Y'all just here to do something. Make yourself useful. Guys, I don't know why she got kicked off. That's just my friend, so I'm going with her.
I'm a retired Army veteran. I know how to conduct myself. I know how to conduct myself.
Put your bags in the front.
Take off your purse. Why?
Take off your purse, okay?
Why?
You guys are going to go to jail. Take off your purse.
Why are we going to jail?
Take off your purse.
I'm not comfortable.
Listen to it.
Talaya!
Relax.
No, you're making me uncomfortable.
Relax.
You're making me uncomfortable. Why am I going to jail? I didn't say nothing. I didn't hit nobody. Why am I?
Relax. Got it? Oh, an issue. All right. Man, stop resisting. There you go.
Somebody, I'm a retired Army veteran. Talaya!
Let's go. What's wrong with you?
Because you're making me uncomfortable.
Calm down.
No.
You're under arrest.
For what?
We'll let you know right now. Come on. We're going to get the other.
You're choking me. Talaya! Okay. Can I be unchoked? Can I be not
Nobody's choking you. Relax. Can you relax?
Can you relax?
I'm telling you, I'm fine.
You're not.
You're not one acting
Look at my
crazy.
arm. Look at my arm.
Because you're acting crazy.
No, I came off the plane by myself. You didn't come and get me off the plane.
Lady, we already told you were under arrest.
No, you did not. They
Yes,
told
we
me I
did.
had to get off the plane.
Right now.
Wait, excuse me.
Sure?
They told me I had to board. They didn't tell me I had to. Can I please? Can you let go of me like this? Excuse me, sir.
Calm down.
I am a sergeant.
Calm down.
Retired
You're not
from the
acting.
Army.
You're not acting like someone who's been
You're
in
not
service.
either. You're not either.
You're under
if you were
arrest.
acting like it,
Calm down.
Excuse me.
I don't want to talk to you. Calm down. Calm down. What's wrong with you? All right.
I'm choking! Let go. I just got off the bed though, like you see I'm not drunk. I'm completely sober. What you? He just told me she's kicked off. I don't know why I'm being arrested. I'm sober. Yes, you are. Brian, I tried to calm her down. I see stars. I calmed her down. I'm not screaming. I'm not screaming. I'm sober. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hold me? A man can hold me, but not a man. Look at how. No, I will. I am not hyped. Look, I'm not hyped. Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll give you fucking clothes. You pussy. I have no name. Relax. Look, okay, look. Figure it out. Ma'am, you don't want to talk to them. Don't worry about it. Talk to me, okay? Ma'am, can I speak to you? Can you come over here? Can we move around? You guys can both hold me, but move me away because I'm going to smack the shit. Then I will break out of this as quick as you ever think. I live too much.
Listen, you're going to get more charges for no reason.
You don't understand. We got no charges.
You're going to get more charges.
Everybody on the plane has no issue with us. Can you listen to me? Can I be let go of? I'm very uncomfortable. Can you let go of? Can I be in the space to walk so that you guys can come like this? I can look at you. I'm not trying to run. How can I fight with my hands like this? I feel intact. It's intact. Look, that was perfectly fine. Can I speak? Nobody has said anything to anybody. So why am I detained?
Because what happened was they told you guys to get off the plane. You guys refused to get off the plane. I was not in there, but that's what they're saying.
No, we did not refuse. Even the airport, the people that were sitting next to us said, why are they trying to kick you off? You can go on and ask everyone.
Yeah, but you have to understand, whenever the airlines tells you to get off,
I'm retired Army. I understand. I get every baggage free. I get loaded for free. Why would I act any way? Please tell me. And that's the subject that was my head on. How would you act? It doesn't justify anything, but it's justify you acting like this. When I fight for your freedom, you don't fight for my freedom like I fight for your freedom. I've shot. I've
let them figure it out. Just relax.
Mommy, so figure it out for them to do this. I've never been arrested. You can look at my record. I've never been arrested like this. You want to take a picture for my photos? No, take a picture. I need a picture.
Now you're not being reasonable.
I am being reasonable. I need a picture of my Instagram so they know I'm not home at my parties tonight, that I have to be at, that I got paid $3,000 for it. Thank you. Nobody on the plane said nothing. If anything, I should be arrested, not her, because she didn't do nothing. We're not talking to them. I don't feel comfortable talking to those two. I feel comfortable talking to y'all.
He told me to help her
Okay,
out.
until we further investigate what's going on.
He is a weirdo.
Okay, listen, for some reason they wanted you off the plane and you didn't want to get off.
I didn't refuse to get off.
Why did they call us?
I never got
When they told me to get off the plane, they told you guys were already here. You can ask them yourself. I never refused to get. Why would I refuse to get off if I can get on another flight? What sense does that make? You guys are detaining us to keep us from acting violent, but you don't understand this makes us acting more violent. I'm an Army veteran. I understand how to control my anger. That's why before, when I got on here, when the guy was being smart about veterans, he was like, "Oh, you can't." But I said, "Yes, I can. With Frontier, you can." Not every. Are you listening to me or no?
I am. I'm trying to make sure she's okay.
We're not going to be going. If we're not together, we're not going to good. My hands are on one. I will definitely sue you. Not you, but I will definitely sue you. Miami-Dade Police
There's
report.
no flights. It's spring break. There's no flights to get home.
My bags are still on the plane. 2 Louis bags. Yes, 2. I don't know.
Well, your boarding pass, I can see
My phone. Good luck. I'm not letting you touch my shit. I didn't even yell. I didn't even hit nobody. I'm not
Wait, I'm going. Hey, you said you was a.
I don't care. Just get me out of here. I don't want my clothes. I don't want that shit. I want to go home. I don't want that. I want to go home. I've been trying to go home for 2 days. My best friend died in front of my hotel. What the f is wrong with y'all? Y'all are sick. You're sick. I thought you would be different. You're sick. You're sick. My best friend got shot, cold blooded in front of the hotel. I've been trying to go home since then. No, you're not. If you were sorry, I wouldn't be in this. I didn't yell at nobody.
Just because I'm sorry doesn't mean
I
your behavior
understand.
is okay.
I didn't behave no way. Just touch here.
Oh, okay. Your bag's right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies if I wasn't a good person? I hate all y'all. No, get off me.
We're gonna walk. Come on. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Come on.
You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. Yeah, I got it, Benny. Got it?
Yeah.
On stairs, don't knock up.
Get one foot, and I'm gonna get the other.
You got leg restraints? Trying to fight.
I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints.
Trying to grab you. Yeah, she's trying to grab you. It's like a massage.
You bitch.
Have my phone. Stairs.
Her feet, right here.
Yo, she's trying to kick. That's fine. That's fine.
Charlie 2055 requesting a ball reference to 36.
That's not going to stop me. I'm just going to sue you. Because I feel very mishandled. I've been raped by military police officers.
Alright. Give it some slack, Maddie, so we grab it under the hinge.
Yeah, you got slack here. Oh yeah, but she still
All
has her
this for a military veteran. I remember all your faces.
You're perfect.
I think my my cuffs are on her. My cuffs are on her.
Cheso, Doctor Jofan, Doctor Forever.
Wait.
Just take off the
Cut it.
You're a cop. You die.
You guys are such not even real cops.
Want to grab the other side? Or just grab me here.
Hi, the first cop.
You do.
My hair! Ow!
If you open this door, it'll make your life easier.
Can I get the flight number, destination, Philadelphia, right?
Yes. Flight number is 2326.
Saying she's an Army veteran, but
No, yeah, no. She was saying that to me the whole
23,
time.
26?
Yeah. She was telling me that. She threatened her. I didn't know about this threat. That's why I remember I looked at you and I did this. I said, come on to the front. As soon as they walked. I didn't notice. I'm sorry. She said she was going to.
All right, ladies.
But in like a sexual way though. Yeah.
We already got your information.
He got only mine.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, well I don't know what happened in the back, so if you
No,
guys
that's
need
fine.
that.
Just your part of the crew. Whatever. It'll be an incident
Yeah, that
report.
was, yeah, for
Don't
sure.
blame you.
Don't blame me? Alright, cool.
I
I am a woman.
I understand we don't have a tampon.
I am bleeding from my. Well, then you have to figure something out. There's no point in letting me out without a tampon. How am I going to pee? How am I going to pee without a tampon?
Do you have one?
In my luggage that's not here, it's my carry-on.
Carry-on's right here.
No, like my luggage that's checked. Not the luggage I have right here. You guys are so ghetto. I can't wait to see you.
Let's go.
No, I need a tampon. I don't.
You do not have a tampon, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I don't feel comfortable getting out without a tampon because then
You
you
don't
guys.
want to pee your...
Excuse me, sir. Because if I get out without a tampon and I ask you for a tampon, then you're going to say I'm antagonizing you, and then I'm going to get arrested again. So what's the point of asking for cops' help? No, because when I asked for cops' help the first time, you guys arrested me.
You want to get out and pee or not?
I do, but I would rather pee right here and you guys clean it up at this point.
We're not going to clean it up. Listen,
It's not my problem. You guys will have
You want to
to
pee on yourself?
It's not myself. I'm going to pee and I'm going to scoot over. That's
So
what
you don't want to go use the bathroom?
I asked you with a tampon, but you're
We
not
don't have a
giving me
tampon. We do not have one.
You should find one. I'm a woman.
I cannot find one. I don't
You
have
didn't
one.
look. You did not look.
Where am I going to get one?
Can you go to the front desk for the concierge?
Well, there's no concierge here. It's not a hotel.
Well, then you better figure it out. You brought me here. I have there's no way you don't have tampons.
There's no way you don't have tampons.
Sir, I do.
Okay.
They're
You have it
my
in your bag,
luggage.
we can get it from your
When-
bag.
Excuse me, sir, when I board from here, they give me that. When I board. When I go to the bathroom, excuse me, can I raise my hand and talk, or are you going to talk over me?
Carry-on's right here.
Can I talk now?
You've already talked enough.
When you board the airplane, they give... Here, I can help you. When you board the airplane, they give you...
Huh? She doesn't want to get out? She said... She said she's not getting out without a tampon. I don't...
Let's examine the constitutional framework.
Federal law grants air carriers broad authority to refuse transport under 49 United States Code Section 44902. Once Frontier invoked that authority and requested law enforcement, the officers were executing a lawful duty. That distinction is foundational. Under Florida Statute Section 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer is only elevated to a felony. When the officer is acting in the lawful performance of an official duty, that element is satisfied here from the moment officers arrived. The Fourth Amendment governs what happened next. Officers' initial contact with a subject constituted a lawful seizure. No warrant is required when an arrest is supported by probable cause, and refusal to comply with a lawful removal order, combined with threatening conduct toward crew, established that cause. Once officers informed the subject she was under arrest, the legal calculus shifted entirely. Florida Statute Section 843.01, resisting an officer with violence is unambiguous. Knowingly and willfully offering or doing violence to an officer in the lawful execution of any legal duty constitutes a third-degree felony, carrying a maximum of 5 years in state prison. The Florida Supreme Court addressed this directly in Tillman v. State, 2006. The court held that a person may not lawfully resist an arrest with force or violence, even if the underlying arrest is later determined to have been improper. The subject had no legal right to physically resist, period. The force officers used must be evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 490 United States 386, 1989. The Supreme Court held that reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Graham establishes 3 factors: the severity of the offense, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and whether the suspect is actively resisting or attempting to evade arrest. All 3 factors here weighed in favor of escalating control measures. The subject scratched an officer's elbow with her fingernails. She kicked an officer on the jet bridge stairs, nearly causing a fall from height. She threatened to spit, which under Florida statute section 784.085 can constitute felony battery if bodily fluids are transferred. She threatened an officer's life. Each of these acts, individually, satisfies the violence element of section 843.01. Officers responded by escalating within the force continuum. Verbal commands preceded all physical contact. When those failed, soft control was applied. When resistance continued, a multi-officer carry was employed. When the subject kicked from the carry position, leg restraints were authorized. This is textbook continuum compliance consistent with 11th Circuit precedent in United States v. Cordell, 2014, which affirmed that active violent resistance justifies escalated control measures. Regarding the subject's claim of being choked, control holds applied during active resistance can generate pressure sensations subjects describe as restricted breathing. This does not, by itself, establish excessive force. The Graham standard asks whether the force was objectively reasonable, not whether it was pain-free. Unless the airway was actually compromised, nothing in this record establishes that the excessive force claim does not hold. On the charge of battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida statute section 784.07, the state must prove 4 elements: intentional contact, against the officer's will, knowledge that the person was a law enforcement officer, and that the officer was lawfully performing an official duty. All 4 elements are documented on this body cam. 2 felony counts reflect 2 distinct acts of battery against 2 separate officers. The trespass charge, under Florida statute section 810.09, requires only that the subject remained on property after being warned to leave by a person with authority to do so. Frontier Airlines crew gave that warning. Officers repeated it. The subject refused. The element is satisfied. 1 systemic failure warrants attention. Prior to officers making contact, the subject had allegedly threatened a flight attendant with abduction and sexual violence. That information was not relayed to officers before they engaged. Under Graham, reasonableness is judged by what officers knew at the moment of decision. A pre-contact briefing would have changed their threat assessment and potentially their tactical approach. This is not an indictment of any individual. It is a structural gap in airline to law enforcement handoff protocol. The subject also raised a potential civil claim under 42 United States Code section 1983. A viable section 1983 claim requires demonstrating a deprivation of a constitutionally protected right by a person acting under color of state law. Given that the arrest was lawful, the force used was proportionate, and no constitutional right was violated, the factual record presents substantial obstacles to that claim. The Miami-Dade Airport police officers receive a grade of B+. Simone Bryna Kim receives a grade of D. Frontier Airlines and the Miami-Dade Police Department receive a grade of B. The core legal lesson from this encounter is straightforward. The right to dispute an arrest exists, but it exists in a courtroom, not on a jet bridge. A second lesson applies to institutions. Information architecture matters in law enforcement response. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.